Good day, students. Today we are going to see a new feature called Autosums in MS Excel. This is an important feature as it helps us in simplifying a lot of calculations in MS Excel. In front of us, we have a sheet with some data. In column A, we can see salesmen. In column B, we can see names of cities. In column C, we can see names of months. And in column D, we can see some sales figures, that is in rupees preferably. We are going to do some calculations on these sales figures. We are going to actually find the total sales, average sales, minimum sales value, and maximum sales value using the Autosum feature. Now, where do we find this Autosum? It is actually in the Home tab. In Home tab, you need to go to Editing Group. You can see the Editing Group here. In the Editing Group, we have the Autosum option. In the Autosum option, there is a drop-down menu here. I click on it. You can see some functions here. Sum, average, count numbers, minimum, maximum, and more functions. Okay, so now this Autosum actually helps us in doing some calculations. We do not have to remember the formula. That is the most important thing here. And it also makes our what you call calculations easier. Okay, so how do we do it? In order to use this Autosum, first we need to actually go to the cell where we want the result. Let us say I want the sum of the sales. So I go to cell D18. Okay, in D18, I want the result of the sales total. Now, again, after selecting that particular cell, I go to Autosum option. I select the sum option. You can see the formula automatically coming. You can see that in the formula bar also. But see the what you call content equal to sum D2 to D17. Now, if you see D17, there is a blank here. There is no number there. So we need to actually select only those cells where the numbers, that is the total for only that range has to be done. So we will click on D16 and then I will go upwards. Okay, you can see how that is, the formula is getting changed now, equal to sum D2 to D16, and then press enter. You can see 35100, that is the total sales. Okay, now let us find the average. In order to find the average, I again keep the cursor on the location where I want the average to be displayed, and then I go to Autosum option. In the Autosum option, I select the average function. When I click on the average function, now you see only one cell is being shown, D18, and that is actually the total. But then I want the range of cells for which the average has to be calculated. So how do I get the range? I click on the D16, okay, and from there I go upwards. So again, equal to average, D2 to D16 have been selected. After selecting the range, again we can press enter to see the result. So the average sales is 2,340. Now let us calculate the minimum. Again, I go to Autosum. I select the min function. Okay, again, I need to make some changes in the range. That is, it is showing actually D18 to D19 only. But then I need D2 to D16. So I again select that particular range. After selecting that particular range, I press enter. Now you can see the minimum value is 1900. What about the maximum now? Again, I go to Autosum. Again, I select the max function. Again, I make the change in the range of cells. Okay. Again, I have done that. Now I press enter. Now you can see maximum value is 3000. So now these are some simple functions actually. Now let us see if we can go for some complicated ones also. So what I'm going to do, I click on this Autosum, I go for more functions option here. When I click on that, I get a dialog box, insert function. You can either type the name of the function if you know, or you can select a particular category. There are so many categories actually. We have financial, date and time, math and trigonometry, statistical, lookup and reference, okay, databases, text, logical, information, engineering. So many categories are there. Okay, out of these categories, you can actually go for, you can select a particular category and then let us say I have selected financial and you can see so many functions in this particular box. Okay, so all these things are available for us to be used. Okay, so any what you call function which is available in Excel can be made use of through the Autosum function. That's why I said in the beginning also that it is an important feature which helps us to uh, what you call do the calculations quickly and easily, and we do not have to remember the functions. That is something very important. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.